Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations on how to remove pop-ups that come from the site Directoffers.xyz. Some customers, especially those who use Google Chrome as their main browser, may suddenly see these pop-ups to attack their browsers. The site Directoffers.xyz is extremely malicious, faulty, and deceptive. It basically tries to force you into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extension. In case this extension gets installed by mistake, a lot of crucial browser settings may be changed without the customer's permission. A lot of such third-party extensions may promote browser hijacking add-ons, and also they will change the default search engine, default homepage, and even the new tab. So when you start submitting some particular search queries, you may get the results by some other unwanted search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. The results may be delivered by Bing.com, by Yahoo.com, or by some other search engine that you have never intended to use before. So, if you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser operates, you should of course do something and remove the unwanted extensions that were promoted through Directoffers.xyz pop-ups. To remove them, access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions from this list. To make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin carefully researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.